How to make $10,000 a month with passive income. How would you spend $10,000 if you had it? If you commit to your objective and diversify your efforts, you may earn that much or even more money, regardless of whether your goal is to pay off debt, travel the world, or just make additional money. Don't put it off any longer. Get started now and expand your empire of passive income to unlock the possibility of earning $10,000 or more per month. We'll be sharing the keys to generating $10,000 in passive income each month in today's video. Now let's get started. What is passive income? Passive income is money that comes in from something that already exists and keeps working for you, meaning you don't have to work hard for it. Passive income is obtained without requiring a lot of continuous effort, whereas active income is obtained through working a job or running a business. It's a means to continue making money even after you've finished working. When you have passive income, you can continue to make money while on vacation or lounging by the pool. Having a single source of income relieves strain and requires less effort over time. Remember that setting up a platform, creating a product, or making financial investments may be necessary for passive revenue streams, meaning there may be more effort initially. How to generate $10,000 a month from passive income sources. Dividend. Stock companies that have dividend-paying stocks pay out to their shareholders regularly. Owning shares is all that is required to get cash dividends from companies. These are distributed quarterly from the business's profits. Since dividends are paid out per share of stock, your payout will increase with the number of shares you own. Investing in dividend-paying stocks might be one of the most passive ways to make money because the income from the stocks is solely based on the initial financial input. It will only be a simple deposit of the funds into your broking account. However, diversification offers a way to lower risk and raise the possibility of long-term gains when investing in dividend equities. As a result, think about including dividend stocks from different companies and sectors. By doing this, the overall risk of making this kind of investment can be considerably reduced while yet yielding larger returns. Such sage advice is strengthened in the investing sphere by modern economics. Creating electronic books. In the digital era of today, information is power. Furthermore, given the popularity of ebooks, this power may be profitable. Whether you're a creative writer, an enthusiastic hobbyist, or an expert in a certain topic, writing an ebook can be a financially and intellectually fulfilling endeavor. Using your skills and expertise to write and market ebooks gives you the ability to share insightful information with the world and creates avenues for both personal and financial success. You may make a successful business out of your love of learning that improves the lives of your readers and yourself if you have the correct tactics and perseverance. In the digital age, knowledge genuinely is power, both financially. Purchasing rental assets. Investing in real estate can be a fantastic method to maximize your financial gains. Buying rental properties that generate passive income in the form of monthly rent payments is one such strategy. You don't need to do much to establish continuous monthly earnings by making this kind of investment. Possessing such an asset has its unique advantages, including the ability to generate income and create equity over time as a result of the home's improvement in value. Furthermore, choosing renters who will take good care of your property will guarantee less repairs over time. In the end, both financial security and morale will benefit from this source of income. You can also use a real estate investment crowdfunding site if you lack the necessary funds or choose not to handle property management. With the help of these platforms, you can invest in real estate projects like rental homes or commercial buildings by pooling your funds with those of other investors. Usually, you just need a small initial investment to get started, and you may also profit from appreciation and dividends. In an ideal world, using crowdfunding platforms to invest in commercial real estate would allow you to buy a property or two and diversify your real estate holdings. Digital marketing. The need for digital marketing services is rising as more and more firms move their operations online. Through pay-per-click, PPC, social media marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, and other strategies, you can assist companies in enhancing their online visibility. You must be highly proficient in the operation of social media and search engines and possess the capacity to design successful marketing strategies if you want to succeed. By doing this, you can attain your $10,000 per month objective. Launch a channel on YouTube. The people who have gained an audience by making videos that amuse, instruct, inform, or just generally remind us how amazing the internet can be are known as YouTube creators, or the modern equivalent of self-made celebrities. There are numerous ways to monetarily support your channel and videos on YouTube if you've achieved success there. While some techniques send users to another website, others make use of YouTube's built-in features. As your views grow, you can make more money on YouTube. Therefore, you need to make interesting material. Freelancing, you can work remotely and provide your services and expertise to clients anywhere in the world. By making a profile and placing bids on assignments on websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer, you can locate possible customers. You can also make direct contact with companies and people to offer your services. Writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, and virtual help are a few of the well-liked freelancing services. Consider specializing in a certain field or sector of the economy to boost your income potential and develop a solid portfolio to highlight your accomplishments. E-commerce online product sales can be profitable if you identify a market segment with high demand. You can build your website with e-commerce systems like Shopify or WooCommerce, or you can open an online store on sites like Amazon, Etsy, or eBay. You must choose premium products, write engaging product listings, and employ powerful marketing techniques to get customers to your business if you want to be successful. Affiliate marketing. The use of affiliate marketing as a strategy for online businesses is growing in popularity. It enables people to promote the goods and services of others and earn money doing so. It's a completely new approach to working from home. Through affiliate marketing, bloggers, social media influencers, and website owners can promote a third party's product by including a link to it on their site or account. Examples of affiliate marketing platforms are eBay, Awin, ShareASale, Shopify, and Amazon. In addition, Instagram and TikTok have grown to be important platforms for anyone looking to promote their products and gain a following. Consider creating an email list to advertise your blog or suggest products and services that may be of interest to your subscribers. The owner of the website receives a commission if a visitor clicks on the link and purchases something from the third-party affiliate. It may need a sizable number of website visits to generate a sizable profit because the fee can range from 3 to 7%. However, if you can increase your fan following or concentrate on a more profitable niche, such as software, financial services, or fitness, you could be able to earn a sizable sum of money. However, because you can theoretically make money by just posting a link to your website or social media account, affiliate marketing is regarded as passive. The following are involved in the affiliate marketing process: locating a pertinent promotion to promote, distributing it via suitable platforms, including blog entries or word of mouth, getting paid commissions based on how many sales are brought about by your exclusive affiliate link. Choosing, managing, and promoting affiliate campaigns effectively raises the likelihood of making a sizable online income. Become knowledgeable about the various forms of internet marketing that comprise the success criteria. Choosing a profitable niche is the first step that must be taken. The next step is to make sure it has a large target audience. Seek out an affiliate network that provides goods and services associated with the niche you have selected. Create and sell online course. Possess a special talent, whether it's organizing your closet, learning to code, or painting watercolors. You may make and publish an online course that teaches others how to accomplish similar tasks. Keep in mind that setting up a course can require a large amount of upfront work. Depending on the site where you publish your course, you might need to create lesson plans, record videos, and update the courses. This is an additional method for earning $10,000 every month. Start a blog or website. It's crucial to have a platform for product promotion. So why not create a blog or website? It's easier than you might think. With Squarespace, Wix, and WordPress, anyone can quickly and simply create a website. Websites are a great tool to show off your goods in the most engaging way imaginable. Besides, creating a virtual presence has become essential if you desire long-term success because more and more individuals are searching online. Expand your viewership. There are some important methods that you should concentrate on as you want to develop and grow your online presence. Creating content gives you a way to express yourself through writing, photography, or graphic design, and creates a network of interest around your business. Reaching out via social media channels encourages communication with both new and returning clients. Continuous traffic to your online presence is ensured via search engine optimization. To do this, make an effort to provide insightful material that meets the demands of the reader. Offer innovative ideas and include a direct link to the product's original page. Allow your writing's personality to speak for itself while drawing readers in. Try it out with careful attention to each content. Attracting a devoted fan base that is only interested in interacting with your brand in meaningful ways should be your ultimate aim. Encourage the products. You need to develop an audience before you can advertise any products. You can accomplish this by contacting professionals in the field and creating organic content. Select your preferred niche now to begin earning money even as you sleep. That's it. The recipe for building a passive income business that brings in $10,000 a month. The secret is to pick the business that is best for you, work hard, and have patience. Recall that you can shape your financial future and that the options are infinite. Take action now, and you'll see your dreams come true. Kindly leave your comments in the space provided below. Click the like, share, and subscribe buttons to see more of our videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.